city-wide survey. So this is a case study or scenario or practice set where we are having some survey related to cities, and this survey is having data in the form of a form of array. So we can see that this is the array. So many number of rows, but only 2 columns. In input, we are giving np.mean. Now you can see that mean, median, coefficient of correlation, or standard deviation. So these 4 terms are being used in data science. So these things are being used in data science, and as Numpy is designed for these purpose, so you can perform along with logical and mathematical operations these things also in your data, like np.mean, np city, and the things you have learned. We are not bothered about row, but we are bothered about column. So we are talking about 0th column data irrespective of the row. That means all rows will be taken care. We commanded the system to get the mean. So you can see that this is the data. We are talking about 0th position. 0th position data is 1.64, 1.37, 1.6, so on, 2.04, 2.01, so on. So from first column, it will give us the value of mean. You know, mathematically the mean is quite simple. That is nothing but the average of the data. Same thing we can do the median. Median is the data that is in quite, if we are having some data, then in the sorted form, the data from the data placed in the middle position will be counted as a median data. So this is for that. Next is np dot correlation of coefficient based on the all rows and 0th column, all rows and first column, and this is the values. Next is np dot standard deviation based on the 0th column. So standard deviation is tells us that how far our data is from the mean position. Okay. And how far our data is from the mean position. As close it is to the mean position is considered data as to be very good, and if the data is normally distributed, that is mean, median is on the same position, then it is very good. So these type of things can be applied here. We can also use sorting of the data by using Numpy, and we can even round the data we are having in any form. np.round, np.random dot normal 1.75, 0.20, 5,000. So we are having different type of data, C 5,000, 2. So we are rounding up the data up to decimal point 2 position at max. Similarly, we are rounding up the data for the weight column, and these are some basic operations. Okay, so there is basically a website. I have put this thing into your chat section. Explore this website. It is giving us just a moment. It is many of the operations of Numpy here. Putting this link again in your chat section. So the task is that everybody will do at least 5 exercise and will represent in the next class that which 5 exercise he has done. See, this is about NumPy. A few of exercises we have seen. There are NumPy basic exercise are there, NumPy array related exercise are there. So I believe that this is simple array related exercise of using NumPy. NumPy sorting and searching also you can use. NumPy linear algebra you might not be able to do without doing theories. NumPy statistics might also need theory. So these two things at least you can try. NumPy array, there are 192 exercises. NumPy sorting and searching, only 8 exercises are here. So you can see there is a problem related to the sorting and searching, and there is also solution is given here. Click me to see the sample solution is here, and you can see this is the syntax that is being given here, and there is although you can use your own laptop or desktop Python version, or you can get editor and use through tutorial point, or this particular website is also provide you the web-based Python editor, so you can execute it here also. But you can do copy paste also, it allow you. So this along with the theoretical explanation above, you can paste your code here. And can run your code here. So the code is run, and here is the output. So this is the task that in the next class everyone should do at least 5 NumPy exercises from this website. And in next class, first of all, you will show me the exercises you have performed, or there and then you can perform the exercises. So you just need to revise 5 exercises that you can do by your own. Okay.